How well do you know the types of sentences? Can you easily identify simple, compound, and complex sentences? There is an easy way to practice this. I have prepared an amazing quiz for you. It is interesting and it will surely challenge you. So, let's find out. Take this quiz right now. Hello, thinkers, and welcome to Soch Academy. Today we are going to have a quiz on the topic types of sentences, simple, compound, and complex. So in the previous video I explained this topic, and if you haven't watched it yet, please go and watch it. And today in this video we are going to test your knowledge on that topic, so get ready. Directions. On the next few slides, you will see a variety of sentences. So you have to read each sentence carefully and determine its type, whether that sentence is a simple sentence, a compound sentence, or a complex sentence. And you also have to identify which clause is there in that sentence, independent or dependent. Are you ready? Let's get started. Sentence 1. I have two dogs named Charlie and Billy. So, is it a simple, compound, or complex sentence? Yes, that's right. It is a simple sentence because it has only one independent clause with the verb have. Now it does have a conjunction and, but that conjunction is used to only join two words, Charlie and Bailey, and not two clauses. So it only has one independent clause, that is why it is a simple sentence. Sentence 2. If you save your money, you can buy a new bike. Yes, this is a complex sentence. There are two clauses in this sentence, one independent and one dependent. If you save your money is the dependent clause, you can buy a new bike is the independent clause. There are two verbs, save and buy, and if is the subordinating conjunction. Sentence 3. Birds fly south in the winter to escape the cold. Yes, this is a simple sentence because it also has one independent clause with one verb, fly. Great job! Sentence 4. I forgot my phone at home, so I didn't see your messages. Which type of sentence is this? You are right, this is a compound sentence because it has two independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. So, there are two verbs, I forgot is the verb, and I didn't see is the verb. So, there are two verbs with two independent clauses. Sentence 5. Every morning I go for a jog before school. Alright, this is also a simple sentence. Every morning I go is the verb, and there is only one independent clause in this, that is why it is a simple sentence. Sentence 6. It rained all night, so I couldn't mow the lawn in the morning. To mow the lawn means to cut the grass on the lawn. Which type of sentence is this? Absolutely right. It is a compound sentence because it has two independent clauses. It rained all night is independent clause number 1, and so I couldn't mow the lawn in the morning is independent clause number 2. So is the coordinating conjunction. Rained and mow are the two verbs. Sentence 7. Kitty asked for 2 scoops ice cream, but she got 1 scoop. What's the answer? Yes, this is also a compound sentence because it has a coordinating conjunction but, which is from the fanboys group of conjunction, and it has two verbs indicating that it has two independent clauses. Alright, sentence number 8. I offered to help with the project because I had some free time. Absolutely, this is a complex sentence because it has a subordinating conjunction because, and it has two clauses. One is the independent clause and one is the dependent clause. Offered and had are the two verbs. So I offered to help with the project is the independent clause, and because I had some free time is the dependent clause. Sentence number 9. If you don't feel well, you should stay at home. You should stay home. Correct. It is a complex sentence. If is the subordinating conjunction. You don't feel well. Feel is the verb. You should stay home. Stay is also the verb. So two verbs indicating two clauses. The first one is a dependent clause, if you don't feel well, and the second one is you should stay home is the independent clause. So that is why this is a complex sentence. Alright, now last one. I recently learned how to knit by watching videos online. Absolutely, this is a simple sentence if you got it right because it has only one main verb. To knit is an infinite verb, so it only has one main verb and it has no conjunction or any other clause. It only has one independent clause. I recently learned how to knit by watching videos online. So by is the preposition and by watching videos online is a phrase, it's not a clause. So that is why this is a simple sentence. Alright, well done. I would love to see your score. So write your score in the comment section and how many you got right. And if you still have any doubts, you can again watch my video on this topic, simple compound and complex sentences. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next video.